Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown for use in the Jeep Wrangler Sport JL body. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a personal transfer lift system designed around the unique concept that one lift can do all of your lifting and transferring. So the same multi-lift that you would use to get you into and out of your Jeep could also be used to lift a wheelchair into the rear of some vehicles. It could also be used in your home to lift you in and out of your bathtub, onto and off of the toilet, in and out of bed, even with a portable base called the Easy Base to allow you to travel. But it doesn't stop there. Swimming pools, hot tubs, RVs, go from one level in your house to another. Lots of different possibilities with a single product. So how does it work? Well, this is a Speedy-Bar that on this particular vehicle, it's kind of unusual, has a little adapter mounted in the hinge, and you'll be able to see a video in the notes field down below showing you exactly what's done here. Most important thing to know is that there's no drilling of holes or modification of your vehicle. Next, we take the cordless multi-lift, no modification to your electrical system, and we attach it to the adapter that is made specifically for the JL body Jeep, and we're going to attach it then to the sling. Now, the sling system on a multi-lift is kind of cool. We call it a back saver system, so it goes around the back, over around the sides of the thighs, underneath the knees, but not underneath the bottom. And the idea is we don't have to lift the person who's in the wheelchair. So it's very important, if you need this kind of product, you probably don't want to have to be lifting the person to get the sling on. So we bring the lift down here. Hook up the sling. Center straps go first. We're going to lift until the user's up and off the wheelchair. Once they're up and off the wheelchair, we're going to move the wheelchair out of the way. Once we're up and off, we're going to turn to face into the vehicle. And we're going to go in feet first. You'll notice there's a nice handy handle here to be able to adjust the angle of the person's body. Once the feet clear the sill plate, we're going to move forward here. You got lots and lots of room here. There are some limitations if you got a really, really big person in this vehicle. You're going to want to consider talking to Access Unlimited's sales department. But you can generally get a pretty good sized person in this vehicle. We're going to remove the sling from the lift. Remove the lift. Tuck the sling down, remove the Speedy-Bar, and we're ready to hit the road. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you deserve mobility in the way you want it, in the vehicle that you want, and we would love for you to check out our Facebook page, like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. If you're into Twitter, you can find us, you can follow us at @accessun. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word. We're on Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel, which is where you can find most of the information about our products, is at youtube.com/accessun. You can contact us on our Facebook, on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. Call us daytimes 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. In the United States, country code 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends, country code 1-615-873-0518. And we really don't mind talking to you evenings and weekends. We're available until very late. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned a little bit about our company and our products. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.